Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi, your favorite Yoruba tutor. Hope you are good. And so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be telling you tips that will help you to learn Yoruba language faster and quickly. Okay, before we go into the video, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, ensure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get updated about my videos. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be giving you is start with basics. Yeah, start with basics. The basic Yoruba language, the basics ones like law, wa, kilefe, kilorukwe, all those small ones, those basics. Start from the basics. Yeah, do not say you want to start from a very high level, maybe the expert or intermediate. Yeah, start from basics. So that will really help you. Then the second one is listen to Yoruba programs on radios, on what Yoruba programs on your televisions, YouTube, wherever you can watch Yoruba programs. Yeah, watch them Yoruba programs, not the ones language is being communicated in English. No, the Yoruba programs. Listen, watch Yoruba programs on televisions, on radios. Even the radios now, they now have streaming platforms that you can listen to their programs even if you're not in Nigeria. So listen to Yoruba programs. Listen to their programs. There are some that there are some radios that they perform Yoruba programs, basically speaking Yoruba language. So that will help you to catch up as well. I'm going to include those the ones I know. I'm going to include them in the comments so you can check that out. And also watch Yoruba programs, yes, on TV, on television. Watch Yoruba programs, then watch Yoruba movies, yes. Nowadays, even though it's Nollywood, it's Yoruba movie, they speak English too, but the ones that are purely Yoruba with their subtitles. So I will provide some movies as well that can help you with that. So, and the next tips is that is to listen to Afrobeat. Yeah, most of our Afrobeat artists, even those that are not Yoruba, they all include Yoruba words. Is either little or more. There's always Yoruba words in the hip hop, yeah, in the songs, in the Afro beats, in the Afro songs. So ensure you listen to trending ones, to trending popular Afrobeat songs. That will really help you. For instance, there's this trending one. Now Burna Boy feature this guy that sang Tesheba Tuashala Bam or something. I don't know how to pronounce that word because it's basically not my language. So and then Burna Boy sang Tori Bantayin, I'm still your father. So there is no way Yoruba language. They all will speak in Yoruba. They all will include one Yoruba or two Yoruba words. There's this song as well, Tony Montana, that Portable featured Skepta. Everyday mo drink garri, ebi ń pa mí, everything. So you will surely learn from it. So listen to Afrobeat. And the next thing is converse with Yoruba speakers. If you have Yoruba speakers around you in your community, in your place of work, in your church, in your mosques, in your area, wherever you are, make sure you converse with them. Yeah, those words that you hear, repeat it day in day out. Repeat it, keep, even if it's just a sentence you learn a day, keep repeating that sentence. Once you see a Yoruba speaker, ensure you repeat that word so that it can stick into your brain, and then that's it. And then the next one is for you to engage with Yoruba content creators, people that create content in Yoruba language on TikToks, on YouTube, just like you are engaging here with me as well. So you can do that as well on other platforms, and this is one of the best places as well. So, and the next tip is that find yourself a Yoruba tutor. Yeah, a Yoruba tutor. If you are really interested in learning it, like you just don't want to learn the basic alone. You want to be more fluent in Yoruba language. You want to learn the in and out of Yoruba language. Then you get yourself a tutor. Get yourself a tutor that they can tutor you. That one-on-one training. One-on-one training will be more efficient, either online or offline. So get yourself a tutor. And I'm actually available for that. Yeah, if you are interested in getting a tutor for Yoruba language learning journey, you can reach out to me through my mail or check my bio to see my Instagram and TikTok there to reach out to me. And so the last one is consistency. Yeah, whatever words you learn, keep repeating it, keep saying it, keep communicating with Yoruba speaker with those little ones you've learned, even though they will make jest of because your accent, the way you speaking is not that it's not sounding Yoruba, yes, but do not mind, do not worry, just keep saying it, keep being consistent. Yeah, keep repeating those words. Do not forget, start with basic words. Yeah, start with basic words. We listen to Yoruba, listening to Yoruba programs on radios and watch Yoruba programs on TVs too. You can stream those programs as well, and then listen to Afrobeats. Most of our Afrobeats include Yoruba words, they include Yoruba words in it. Watch Yoruba movies. Yes, they will really help you. Then ensure you repeat the words you learn. Converse with Yoruba speakers as well. It's going to really help you. Then get yourself a tutor. You get yourself a tutor. That will help as well. That's the most, let me say, the most helpful one. Yeah, get yourself a tutor. But if you are unable to get yourself a tutor, make use of other tips and you will surely come back with a testimony. Okay, thank you so much for staying tuned to the very end of the video. I hope it helps you, I hope you learn, I hope it's helpful. Thank you very much. And so do not forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, share, and comment what you'd like to learn next. Comment if this video is helpful for you, and comment where you are watching from. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you.